information or entertainment that includes many different forms of communication. You might use multimedia to give a presentation at school. Multimedia might include video, audio clips, and still photographs.
Good morning to all of you. Today I will explain to you the benefits of ICT and what exactly is ICT. What are the 5 importance? 1. Decision making. 2. Problem solving. 3. Understanding. 4. Improving processes. And 5. Understanding customer. What are the 5 positive impact of ICT? ICT has contributed a lot to change your everyday life, such a letter to email market.